So what is a unicorn? A unicorn is a small business that has grown its revenues to where it has a valuation in excess of $1 billion. There were last year 200 new unicorns. That's actually down from 2022, from where it was 500 unicorns produced in that year. What do I mean by a unicorn breeding ground? Well, if you've been involved in the Goldman Sachs 10,000 small businesses, you are involved in the Goldman Sachs unicorn breeding ground. They are breeding you to become a billion-dollar company. You may not know it, but I'm here to explain to you how I know it and why I know that's true. Goldman Sachs, over the last 10 years, has pumped $750 million into their Goldman Sachs small business program. And they have educated what they call 16,000 scholars. If you do the math, that means they have put $46,875 into each one of us scholars, as they call them, to make them potentially next year's or in the future's new unicorns. They're breeding unicorns. Why are they doing that? They're trying to discover the next Facebook. Facebook became a unicorn in 2013 when it reached a valuation of $121 billion. More recently, Uber became a unicorn with a valuation of $51 billion. More recently, in 2022, Epic Games became a unicorn with a valuation of $42 billion. How does that happen? Somebody has a unique idea, has a way to change the world, and then presents it to an audience, a breeding ground that says, I want to be a part of that. Now, who would that be? It just might be the 10,000 people that are in Goldman Sachs's high net worth program that costs $10 million to get into. And the 10,000 in it have an average holdings in excess of $60 million. That means some of them have over $600 million. Well, so what does an individual that has all that money, what do they want to do with their lives? How are they going to find the next rush? Well, we learned just last week that Blue Origin sent a bunch of them up into the air where a ticket cost $28 million a piece, and some of them went as couples. Why? Because they needed a rush. They needed something that would make them feel good. Well, they've got these people who want to feel good about themselves, who want to give something back to their community, and they want to fund the next Facebook. They want to fund the next Uber, and they want to get in on the ground floor. So Goldman Sachs says, we'll go out and we'll teach 16,000 small business people to grow their business and then put them on the path that maybe they will become the next unicorn. Think about it. There's 16,000 of us who have already been through the program. They will probably take that to 26,000, and they have the market to find the financing to take you to a unicorn. Now, you might think I'm crazy. You might think I'm something of a lunatic, but I just may be the lunatic you've been looking for to bring into your business. And that's what Best of Us Investors is all about. We want to teach people how to invest, but we also want to teach you how to become a unicorn.
You may